In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how you can safely and effectively use the assisted dip machine in your gym. Now, firstly, this works the triceps at the back of the arm. There is a variation that we can do that puts a little bit more emphasis on the chest, so your pectoralis muscles, and we'll go through that later in the exercise. Now, firstly, I need to, as a trainer, make sure that the knee pad is down before the client comes onto the assisted dip machine. Otherwise, they're just going to be doing dips with their own body weight. I need to set up the weight to make sure it's appropriate. So the whole point of assisted dips is it allows somebody to be able to do a dip that can't do a dip with body weight. So for example, let's say I have a client that is 100 kilograms. What I can do is I can put 30 kilograms on the machine. So as opposed to them doing 130 kilograms, they would only be doing 70 because the 30 kilograms is a counterweight, so it's taken off their body. So think of the amount of weight that you put on the machine, that's actually assisting you, that's not the weight that you're doing. So take that off your body weight. Hopefully that makes sense. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come up onto the top foot plate. Once I'm up onto the top foot plate, I'm just going to bring one knee onto the pad. And then once I've brought the second knee onto the pad, now this is all the body weight going through and of course the subtracted amount of counterweight. So I'm trying to keep myself nice and upright. I'm pushing through my elbows, trying to keep my wrists as straight as possible. As I come down, I'm breathing in. And as I come up, I'm breathing out. What we can do is we can slightly lean forwards in the exercise to put a little bit more emphasis on the chest. And what I would advise is when you're coming up, don't lock out the elbow, soft bend when you come all the way up. That takes a little bit of tension off the elbow joint because you're not locking it out each rep. Of course, when you're done, one foot on the foot plate, knee all the way up, and then you can come back down and safely out of the exercise. That's how to use the assisted dip machine in your gym. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.